Shona, good to see you there. At first glance, this might seem as if this decision goes against fathers. So on what grounds did the ECJ make this ruling?
Well, I think it's because it's such a specific situation, as you mentioned there, Tokes. It's in relation to the biological impact of a woman from childbirth and pregnancy, and specifically it relates to extended maternity leave. So extended maternity leave after your statutory maternity leave has expired. So let's say if a woman has 6 months statutory maternity leave, she can be given possibly an extended 3 to 6 months based on the protection of the impact of childbirth and pregnancy against a woman, and also the protection of the mother and child bond. So the court very much stressing that this is about biology and not about parenting per se. So there will be a burden of proof upon the employer and the woman to prove that the reason why she's getting this extended maternity leave is to protect her from the impact of pregnancy. It could be something like postnatal depression, or if a woman was injured during childbirth, or in relation to the bonding that goes on between a mother and a child after childbirth. So the court's stressing that it's not about parenting per se, but about the impact of pregnancy and childbirth, which could only really happen for a woman.
So how will this ruling then affect same-sex couples?
So it doesn't relate to same-sex couples per se, particularly if you look at like two men, for example, none of them would be birthing. If you have a same-sex couple where there's two women, if one of the women was the birth mother, then she would have access to extended maternity leave if she can prove that there was an impact there in relation to, from a physical or mental perspective, from the childbirth or the pregnancy, or that she required extra time to protect the bond between her and the child. And the court made the point that because this is biological, not about parenting, that it does meet the standard of any EU regulation when it comes to equality regulation, because really it's not about parenting, it's about biology. Tokes?
Crystal clear ruling there, it seems, from the European Court of Justice. Shona Murray, thank you.